Unlock your creative potential and land your dream job by building a stunning online portfolio with Dropbox right now. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have a Dropbox account. If not, it's free to sign up. Once logged in, the key is organization. Create a main folder for your portfolio. Think of this as your digital gallery. Inside your My Portfolio folder, create subfolders for each type of work you want to showcase. For example, you might have folders for web design projects, logo designs, or even client testimonials. Now, upload your best work into the relevant subfolders. High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and any supporting documents are crucial here. The more polished your content, the more professional your portfolio will appear. Once your work is uploaded, it's time to share. Hover over the folder you want to make public or share with specific people. Click the Share option or the three dots for more settings. Dropbox offers fantastic flexibility. You can create a public link, which is perfect for a general portfolio anyone can access, or you can choose to share with specific individuals by entering their email addresses, which is great for targeted applications. Click Copy Link to generate a unique URL. This link is your portfolio. You can then paste this link on your resume, business cards, social media profiles, or send it directly to clients and employers. When someone clicks your link, they'll see a clean, organized view of your selected work directly through Dropbox. No complex website building required. Remember to regularly update your portfolio with your latest and greatest projects to keep it fresh and compelling with Dropbox. Creating a professional online showcase for your talents has never been easier. Start building your Dropbox portfolio today and let your work shine.